Hello everyone, using Oracle 21C database resource manager project AB. Ramon Valenzuela. Introduction. When a database gets busy, everyone started fighting for the same resources. And that's when performance problems show up. Oracle Database Resource Managers is the tool that keeps things fair. It lets you decide who gets priority, who should slow down, and how to protect your most important workloads instead of letting one heavy query take over. Database management helps you keep the whole system running smoothly, day or night. Objectives. What is database resource manager? Where to use it in scenarios. Building block mentor models. Objective 2 labs. Quick start, copy and paste lab. Pre and pending area. Consumer groups, plan, validate and submit. Map user service group. Pick one which approach. Map a service to consumer group recommended for apps or grant users the default group. So objective 3, monitoring and tuning what we watch, multi-tenants, instant caging, common pitfalls, and etc. So what is Oracle Database Resource Managers? Uh, Resource Management lets you curve of CPU input and output and parallelism, so important work gets priority and noisy sections can't starve everyone else. Team traffic control inside the database. 5 core pieces. 1 resource consumer group, buckets for sections, batch and reports. 2 resource plan, the rules of the road, who gets what percentage. 3 plan directives per group, limits, quakes, CPU percentage degree, active, session caps, switch rules. 4 plan schema, CVD, root plan, PV, PDV plan in multi-tenant. 5 instance caging, cap, DVD, instance CPUs. So the operating system cluster plays nicely and etc. So right here, in order for you to go over there, you got it two way. You click or you press window and you type CMD and then you right click for running as administrators. And then you get this prompt right here. So right now I'm gonna try to copy one by one because mine is totally different. So I'm gonna copy this one, SQL Nolo. So it is my version over here. Release production from version 19. So now I'm gonna try to copy again, connect as usual. So because we're gonna run a script or code totally different tonight. So now I'm gonna to alter a pluggable database. Uh, this is the one, the most important to open this. So you see, let me try to do it again. Line one. Okay, it said that we got a problem in the line one. Alter. Let me try to do it again. So let me keep going. Let me try to type this one. Okay. Session alter show container. Let me see. See? All right. Now we are going. We did a quick start, copy and paste lab from Archivo. So now we're gonna try to start this one. So open pending area. So Procedure successfully complete. Step 2, create consumer groups. So let me see. Okay, consumer groups. I hope that all of this coding works good. So, okay, it's work good. So the next one, create a plan. So copy and paste this one. So let's create a plan. Okay. What happened? Do I miss? Yes, yeah. I'm sorry. I didn't copy all of this. I have to start again. So let's see. You see, and uh, forward slash. Let me start again. You're gonna create an error because I didn't copy all of these like I'm supposed to do it. So let me try it again. I didn't copy all the formula. You see? Let me see. See now to continue was inserted before. All right. So all right. So symbol column line. It look like let's validate this and submit it. So validate and submit it. So let's do this. Procedure successfully complete. So number, let's do the next one. Sometimes we gotta click very hard this because sometimes we click it and we stay create profile for students. So we click it and then we think that we are in the right scripting or code or blocks and we are not. So okay, there is an error. So here we got an error. Let's fix it. Okay, student do not exist. So that's why this command fails. So stay confirm which user. See, let write this formula because I don't know why it rejected. So 37 row selected. So yes, we're gonna create a student user now. See, user created. Now I wanna ask them to grant privilege. You know what I'm saying? Because grant succeed. Now asking the profile. Now assign the profile. I'm sorry. Assign the profile. I type in this one. Okay. Now run this exactly again. So from user. 38 rows selected. So you see now we want to come back again to step number 5. Create. Yes. Let's see what it say. User alter. Okay, we are good now. Create a profile for students. So let's run number 6. I hope that this work. Number 6, alter this. Okay, session alter. So let's do it number 7. We continue on. Let me see. Oh, it said number 6. It is supposed to be number 7. their system resources. So let's copy this one. There is an error here. Number 7. Yeah, failures of the improvised. My plan no existe. So to confirm, we are again to run this. Let's try to. Okay. Now we're gonna start the container, the session container. Again. Session alter, so we're gonna begin starting fresh pending. All right. We have to recreate again. This process is not easy. Okay. Validate and submit again. So, okay, a lot of active plan. Validate and submit. Prepare. So let's let me try this. Now I am gonna active this plan. Failure of data is resource. No 6. Okay, let me try again. Okay. Let me see if we continue. Review this. Okay, I'm sorry. We did that. The plan. Let's review the parallel objects. Now row selected. So for shows, let's try this one. For sure table indices. So procedure successfully complete. So we are good so far. I'm gonna try only trigger students. Okay. Trigger created. Okay, we are good so far. So select check 9. So let's do this. Now row selected. So map service to groups. Let's see what it says. Okay, we got error here. We try to fix it. Line 2, components. So let me try it again. Let me replace the block. Okay, again. My God. Okay. Ground report uses. All right. Let's see. This project is almost 20 minutes. But you see, that's happening. This happened here. Okay. That's the last one. Let's see what happened with this. So let's run it again. The problem is with this one that if this one stay like that, it gives us problem. You know what I'm saying? So that's why it might be the reason why it gives errors. So let's try it again. Say do not exist is not logged in. Let's see. CPU begin require start. Shut down. Start up. Pluggable database open. Okay. Common pitfalls say user time. Plan, create but not enable. No effect. Resource managers. Only CPU shares set parallel monsters still hurt. Set mask underscore utilization underscore limit. 3. User no map everyone forced into other groups. Define its directive or disable carefully. Testing in prod start with reporting only and review metrics than efforts. Conclusion. At the end of the day, database, man- database management resource management is about keeping your database calm, predictable, and fair. When workloads start computing, the database management resource management gives you the control to protect what matters most: your critical user, your business process, and your system stability. Once you understand the basic pieces and consumer groups, plan and mapping the whole things become much easier to manage. With a little setup and the right monitoring, database resources management becomes one of those tools that quietly saves, saves you from big headaches and keep your environment running smoothly. So, and that's it.